Tiny reviewer. Gummy Tummies. Soft, yummy candies in assorted flavors from Trader Joe's. So they're all penguin shaped. These are not the gummies. This is just a picture of what it looks like. Nutrition facts are here. Ingredients are here. It contains wheat and coconut, but I tasted before. No coconut, scent, smell, taste, or anything. It's a product of France. The little label right here. Store in a cool, dry place. So the price is $1.99. Rounded, it's $2. My mother loves these gummies. Long ago, it was softer, but my mom said it kind of hardens nowadays. So it's not black. So let's pour it all out and see what the difference of each gummy is. Okay, alright. Is that it? Nope. Out you go. Come on. Is that it? That's it. So there is this one. Ooh, it's soft and so it's kind of watery in the tummy. It's kind of water. So if you see the red one, the red is the water. So it looks like this is also another flavor. I think that's really it for the differences. So yeah, that's really it. So these are the 3 flavors that are inside. One that is kind of a goldish color and a little blood red center. This one's a bit of a lighter yellow with a pinkish reddish center. And this one, as you can tell, it has water inside, but kind of camouflage with it. So now let's taste it. Well, my phone's gonna cut one up. Let's ask my dad to cut something that stands out. This one. It's also neat. So I'm gonna not eat it. I wanna see what's inside first. I don't know what's inside. Is it liquid? I'm gonna eat the cut, and I'm gonna ask my dad to eat that one. I'm gonna eat first the one that's camouflaged. That looks like there's nothing inside, but there is something that's neater. This one. I feel like there's jam inside. It barely sticks to your teeth either. But still, even though it doesn't stick to your teeth, doesn't mean that you won't get cavities. So always brush your taste afterwards. Now what do you want me guys? What? So I don't know what to eat. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna eat this one. Try to sort them out. So all sorted out. Then here. So I'm gonna eat one that's directly in the middle. A neat one. Doesn't cut off, so I'm just gonna put it in my mouth. Very yummy. Yum. And although I couldn't really tell what flavor was which I meant, so probably this one's lime, because it does have a little greenish color if you see it. So that's the smaller one. Then this one, I think the little maroon, the pinkish one is probably this one. And the red one is probably this one. I think it is. If you guys think that's correct, then thank you. And also, I have a little task for you guys. If you buy this, tell in the comments below what each flavor is. I think this is strawberry, cherry, and lime. So, that's really it for the day. Subscribe and press the like button. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!